Hello, this is Jim Maratsky from Leah Technical Support. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert pictures into some of our more recent responsive websites. If you have one of these, then this will work for you. If not, give us a call and we can talk about how some of this can happen for you. I want to insert a picture into the text on this page. I've already uploaded a picture into my picture library. And what I have now is a decision to make about how I want this picture to appear. I can basically put it in one of three different ways. I can either float it to the left or to the right, or just have it fit this entire space here up at the any place within the page. In order to do that, I go ahead and access the text either by editing the whole page or just by clicking the plus sign here to get to a particular text area. And any paragraph or text that I want to have this picture associated with, I want to go ahead and click right at the top of that paragraph or any place on the page. I'll demonstrate first how to do a right floated picture. It works the same way for a left floated picture, and then afterwards we can talk about how to put a picture that fits the whole area. In order to do that, though, I click at the beginning of the paragraph. I click on this template button here, which allows me to insert a bit of code that helps the picture fit on the page. And now I'm going to say I want to add a right picture here. And you'll just see some text that appears here. And if I click Insert, though, then a sample picture appears. And now I just want to replace that sample picture with a picture from the picture library. So I'm going to click on the picture, click on the Insert Edit Image button, and then from the image list here select a picture from the library that I want. As usual, I always want to type in a description and a title. And then I want to switch over to the Appearance tab, and I want to change the dimensions here. I want to set the width to be no wider than 320 pixels. I'm going to change this one to 300. That's because with floated pictures, they're still fixed width. And so you want to set the maximum picture width to be for the smallest device that your website will be seen on, which would be a cell phone, which is about 320 pixels. So once I've changed those dimensions, I can go ahead and click Update here, and we'll see the picture appear floated the way I'd like it to be in the text. And if I go ahead and submit this page, then we can see what that looks like in the browser. And that looks good. And you'll see here if I change the width of the area here, it continues to float, but then as I get down to something relatively small like a cell phone width, you'll see that the picture just takes up the whole width of the device. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you here with this is that we now also have a feature that allows you to bring up this picture in a Lightbox to show it in a larger place. You can put any link that you would like on a picture to go to a different page or something, but in this case I'll show you how to do a link to it in a Lightbox. And the way that we start with that is we need to know the picture location. So if I just right click this picture here on the page and select Copy Image Location, this is Firefox. The wording might be a little bit different in other browsers, but basically we just want to get a link to that picture. I'm going to go click on the plus sign here to go edit the text, click on the picture itself, and then I'm going to add a link by clicking on the link button here. And I'm just going to paste that location into the link URL box. So I'm basically linking the picture to itself. But then down here in the class box, I'm going to select Lightbox link. Click Insert. And this time when I go and submit that page, and come back, I can now click on that picture and it comes up in a nice Lightbox that I can dismiss here. So that's a right floated or left floated picture. Let me show you quickly here how to do a picture that fits the entire width of the page. So I'm going to click on my picture and delete that. And I'm going to leave my cursor right here. If I want this text to appear below it, I'm just going to go ahead and click at the beginning of that text. And again, I'm going to go to my template button, click on that, and then click on add a full width picture. And again, a little bit of preview stuff comes up here, but mostly what I'm going to go do is insert, and then see the picture that appears here, sample again. I'm going to click on that, click on insert edit image, and select picture from my library, and again change my description and title. And this time I need to go to the Appearance tab and actually remove these dimensions. I don't want this picture to be set at any fixed width because it will change based on whatever device I'm looking at. So I'm going to clean those out so they're empty, click Update, and my picture appears there. And now I'll go ahead and submit this page. And we can see here's my picture, and now as the width of the device changes, the picture changes along with it, fills the entire space. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, give us a call at LIAA or email support@lia.org. Thanks.